Add a playlist to a library in Apple Music on iPhone. If you want to add a playlist to a library in Apple Music on your iPhone, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Apple Music app. Now over here we can just come to our library tab over here and you can see a couple of options. So if I go to, let's say, playlist, and I want to add a certain song to this library or this playlist, I can just tap on add music and I can select playlist. So I have selected my library, and within this library I want to add a certain playlist. The only thing is that you need to actually have a premium subscription if you want to be able to add songs or playlists to your library. And this way you will be able to add a music to a library or a playlist to a library on Apple Music. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.